Hi friends, welcome back to Bibi's Kitchen. Today I am back with a plum cake. After a long time I am putting a video, so let's get started. So to a bowl let's add in 2 eggs. Now let's beat the eggs until it is fluffy. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now let's add in the sugar. That is 1 cup of sugar which I have powdered little by little to the egg mixture. Adding it in 3 batches. Now this is the last batch. Add in the rest of the powdered sugar and beat until it is creamy in color. Color has changed. Now let's add in 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup. Let's mix it well. Now let's add in the oil, which is 1/4 cup of oil, sunflower oil. Mix it in low speed for just 30 to 40 seconds. Now our work of our blender is finished. Now let's use a spatula for rest of our mixing. So now this is our egg batter mix which I have kept ready. To this let's add in a maida. Here I have 1 cup of maida with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, which I have sieved and kept. So we'll be adding it in batches. So now here I have soaked juice of the dry fruits which I had soaked around 6 months ago, which I have put a short video in my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out, how to soak the dry fruits. In that I have taken out the plum juice of it, and we have around 2 cup of dry fruits which I have added the maida powder and mixed well so that it doesn't settle down completely in the bottom. You will have the fruits all around in your cake. So this I have kept ready. So let's get started with mixing the maida. Let's add in the maida to the half the maida to the egg batter and mix it slowly using the cut and fold method. Slowly you have to mix it. I have used white sugar here. You can use brown sugar also. So your cake will be more brownish in color. Now let's add in this syrup. That is around 1 teaspoon now. Mix it well. Now add in the second time maida mixture. Mix it slowly. At this time I have kept my oven for preheating to around 180 degrees Celsius for around 5 to 8 minutes. Now second tablespoon of syrup. Don't forget to take from the sides also. Now the last final part of maida. Mix it slowly. Now I am adding 1 more tablespoon of the syrup. That will be enough. So totally I have used in 3 tablespoons of the syrup from the dry fruits. Don't over mix. Slowly mix it. Now let's add in the 1.5 cup of dry fruits. This is a rich plum cake, so I have added in 1.5 cup of dry fruits. Now let's mix in well. Slowly. It's a very rich plum cake with lots of fruits in it. You can check my shorts video for what are the fruits I've added in the plum cake, what are the spices which I've added in. So now our mixture is ready. So to the tray, I'm transferring the batter. So I have transferred everything. Now let's give it a tap. If at all there is any air bubbles, it will be released when you tap it. So I'll bake this for around 1 hour in 160 degrees Celsius. It takes around 1 hour to bake well. So see you after 1 hour. So our cake is all baked and ready. It's very hot now. Once it cools down, you can remove it from the pan and cover it in a nice paper, that is a parchment paper, and then cover it with a foil paper and store it and have it whenever you like. It's better to have the cake after 2 days. It will taste yummy and very delicious. So please try this recipe at home. So please don't forget to like, comment and share all my videos with your family members and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll come back with another yummy recipe as soon as possible. So please tune in to BB's Kitchen always.